Hello, hello, crafty friends. Danny here, Danny's Dreams. And I'm stopping by today with a very quick stencil video that I've actually wanted to do for probably over a year. I got, probably a year ago, this Deco Foil Transfer Gel Duo. And basically you use it and then you can add foil, run it through your die cut machine, and you foiled it. I've been looking at the Glimmer Foil machine system and I really like it, but I'm not quite convinced yet. So this was my alternative to kind of get me started into foiling since it is so popular and I do like it without as much expense right now. So I'm not going to show the finished card today, and I didn't think about this till after I'd already done some steps, but I think you'll get the idea. And maybe if you're on the fence like I am about foiling and getting the whole Glimmer foil system and all the dies and everything, maybe this will be an alternative to you as well. So what I have in front of me is basically what I'm going to use for my card. Again, there's that Deco Foil Transfer Gel Duo. I did use, or I hope to use some of this Deco Foil. This is Ocean Blue Foil Transfer Sheets. I'll get to that in a minute. I'm going to use this Gnarly Dude stamp set from Craft & Kimmy. All my narwhals are going to go onto this. Just set that aside. I already colored them up and cut them out. And then I used this Charming Chevron stencil from Craft & Kimmy. It was just released last month, and it is super fun. So I can get to what I've already done. Don't know if you can see, maybe you can. Basically, I took the stencil, the Duo Gel, and a palette knife, and some Bristol Smooth paper. I put the stencil on like you would a normal, added this with the palette knife, making it all nice and even. I don't know if it's a thin coat or whatever, but just filled in the stencil. And then I let it dry overnight. And that you can see it's kind of shiny or whatever. And then I'm going to take a piece of that foil and I'm just going to lay it on there so I can figure out the size that I need. I'm going to just cut it to that size. Sure I am. And then I'm going to go real quick and run it through my die cut machine. I will show you. So you're going to take this. This is my bottom plate. You're just going to lay it there. And you want the shiny side up because that's going to be the side that's shown. And then you're just going to sandwich it like that. So let me go run it through my machine. I'm going to let you stare at some blank stuff. I'll put this here in case you wanted to look at that, because this should only take a couple seconds. You just run it through. I usually go forward and backwards. All right. And then come back. I always just kind of press it down. I say always. I've only done this like once. Hopefully this works as well as that time did. I see some like bubbles down here, but I think it'll be fine. And then you just peel it off. Didn't do quite as well as the first one, but since I'm going to be putting those narwhals on it, I can kind of cover up where it was. I think I was rushed when I did the original, but I'm also looking forward to using this piece. I'm thinking I can make a shaker card with it. But anyways, still very, very cool. It's shiny. It's all foiled. I can make a card now and have that foil show. I'm making my card for the Craft & Kimmy challenge, which is purple flowers or glitter foil. I'm using the foil, obviously. So I hope that you will give this a try if maybe you're on the fence. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's still very cool to get that foiling without having a Glimmer foil system or even using like a laminator and worrying about the toner and all that. So again, it's the Transfer Gel Duo. And you can use, it's two-way, you can use it with heat or no heat. So, and of course, like I said, the first one I did, I will leave a link below to the photos of that card because it turned out stunning. I think it's like anything, trial and error, but still very cool. I will share my card. I'm hoping to start doing maybe like Saturday showcases again, or just pop in every once in a while and show my cards that I've made for every couple days or so. So you will see the finished card. Just didn't want to take the time to do it on this today. So thanks so much for stopping by. Leave a comment below if this was helpful. Have you tried this before? Is it the first time you've seen it? Do you have a glimmer foil machine? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Leave me a comment. Let me know what's going on. I'll talk to you soon and have an amazing crafty day.